My name is Glenn Miller. I am a manufacturing engineering technician at Landis Corp in Hagerstown, Maryland. I was interested in the MET position with because of the overall production work environment, which includes cutting-edge technology Landis uses in their machinery, the vast knowledge the team has, and of course, the Landis teamwork mentality. I have a strong background in mechanical and electrical knowledge. This has been beneficial to me learning the various machines here. In my role, I follow the new or remanufactured machine build from the bed to the hydraulics to the pneumatics to the wiring, and then completing a runoff. In the future, my role will evolve to assist customers with new machine setup, startup, and installation at their facility. The best part about my position is being able to learn something new every day, whether it's software, electrical, or controls related. Recently, I have been able to expand my knowledge on the PLC and machine drives within the machine from the support and training provided by Phoebes. I really enjoy the overall work atmosphere at Landis. It is a very laid-back work environment, and I have some great coworkers. From my time working here, I am impressed with the vast knowledge base and history that the team has in our industry, which is shown in the reliable, high-precision grinding machines we provide for our customers.